From MAREMOTO Center, we want to congratulate you for acquiring a new Sea-Doo model. The purpose of this video is to help our customers to take a correct care of their personal watercraft. Therefore, we are going to explain step by step the basic maintenance procedures to preserve the proper functioning of the watercraft and maintain its value over time. Before we begin, it is important to note that the content of this video is based on the Sea-Doo user guide, but does not replace it in any way. We encourage you to review it carefully and familiarize yourself with it so that you are aware of all the information and procedures recommended by the manufacturer. Let's get started. Care of the watercraft after each use. Step 1. Cleaning the exhaust system. Cleaning the exhaust system is critical to prevent corrosion from salt and other chemicals in the water. Attach a garden hose to the connector at the back of the watercraft without opening the faucet yet. Start the engine and quickly turn on the water faucet. Run the engine at idle for 60 seconds, making sure that water flows from the drive pump. Turn off the water tap and give 2 gas strokes to expel all the water from the exhaust before stopping the engine. Finally, disconnect the hose. Step 2. Engine and bilge wash. As in the previous step, flushing the engine allows to avoid the corrosive effects of the salt. It is very important to wait for the engine to cool down. First of all, to access the engine, the seats must be removed. Rinse the entire accessible area of the bilge with clean water, trying to reach the back zone of the engine. Do not use a high-pressure washer, as this could damage the electrical and mechanical systems. Step 3. Exterior washing of the watercraft. Using a hose, wash the outside of the hull with plenty of water, making sure to remove all marine organisms. Do not forget to do the same with the metal components of the turbine. Step 4. Washing the trailer. Wash the outside and inside of the wheels with plenty of water, as well as the metallic structure and the groups of lights. Step 5. Drying. With the help of a microfiber cloth, dry all wet surfaces as much as possible. Additional tips. To allow any moisture that may have been left inside the bilge to evaporate properly, we recommend that you leave the seats on the sides before putting the cover on. We strongly recommend that you do not leave the watercraft in the sun. To avoid the damaging effect of sunlight, cover the watercraft with its protective cover. Remember that for easier placement of the cover, you must start with the handlebar grips of the motorcycle. We hope these tips help you get the most out of your new Sea-Doo.